Welcome, digital artists. This is Galia from AI Creative Tools. In this video, we'll talk about the t-shirt design prompt builder, how it works and what designs you can create with it. In the end, you will be able to create prompts for images in vintage, kawaii, anime, and other styles, even if you're a newbie with AI generators. On the footage, you can see how the builder workflow looks like. This tool is very user-friendly and barely needs detailed instructions. Still, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to watch the Prompt Builder Basics video to learn more. Let's start with specifications of the t-shirt design theme, aka sublimation design, aka POD design. A non-experienced digital artist might think that any clip art image is suitable for print-on-demand sublimation designs, and they will be technically right, but still there are some niche specifications and requirement to the image. Mostly vector designs with solid colors, certain aesthetics, and a limited variety of trendy art styles. Typography in many designs. Professionals will probably find more, but our aim here is to show you what the t-shirt prompt builder is made for, and why it's different from clip art prompt builder. And now let's explore the builder's drop-down lists. The t-shirt design prompt builder consists of 4 blocks: design, text, style, and parameters. Text block and certain drop-down lists are available only in the Pro version. The result prompt can be found in D28, and all the choices we make are visible there. By default, we have a digital product t-shirt design and white background already selected to make creating your image faster. In the design block, we start with theme and digital product. Among digital products, you may find t-shirt designs, logos, icons, and other starting image types. All the visual examples of these products are available in the visual examples sheet. In some cases, the difference between the product types is very visible. In other cases, it's subtle, but will be impactful when we add other details to the prompt. For now, let's just keep in mind that icon and logo are the most simple designs by default, while graphic design and drawing are the most intricate ones. T-shirt designs are in the middle by detail level, and they tend to produce trendy t-shirt image styles. SVG design will help you create black and white or other single-color simple images. Cartoon graphic mainly influences the art style of the design. Theme will help you emphasize your digital product type, for example adding 2D flat, or cartoonish, or minimalistic to vector t-shirt design. Otherwise, you can add a specific touch to your selected digital product, for instance if we use vintage theme with vector t-shirt design. Theme is located in the beginning of the prompt, so it's very impactful for the outcome images, and partly plays the role of the image art style. Moving on to the design part, we have 3 layers of design in this builder: main design, back layer design, and background. For example, the eagle and brush strokes behind it, isolated on white background. As usually, main designs are grouped by themes, and selecting a theme will not make any impact on the prompt, so avoid picking them. Alternatively or additionally, you can type in your own design idea into D9. Design details contain options describing your object. This list is very varied, so we'll talk a bit more about these options. Silhouette is a very popular choice for sublimation designs. For example, let's pick wolf as main design and add some details. And here's the outcome we're going to get. Mascot is another popular style, often combined with logo digital product. Emblem will tend to make your design have a circle shape. In the end of this list, you may find some number options to create an image with multiple objects. A limited selection of colors in this list serve as an alternative to the silhouette option. The point is that the word silhouette might not work consistently well with certain objects and colors. The impact of the emotion drop-down list options is pretty clear, and will be in demand for the designs with animated objects, like people or animals. Additionally, you can write something to the custom details field, which gives even more control of the outcome image. Please remember that you can add up to 10 custom options to any drop-down list if you have a Pro version. They will appear at the top of the corresponding list. Text block comes next. You can add your desired words into D11, and the builder will automatically put them into the result prompt field in the proper format, so that Midjourney understands it correctly. Also, you can choose your text style and location from these drop-down lists. Make your text short unless you want to get a mess in the outcome image. We'll talk more about texts a bit later. Moving on to the style block. Colors preset lists color schemes with exact colors. while color palette suggests how these colors should appear: pale, bright, shiny, dark, etc. You may also add your colors if needed, and they will be prioritized. There are not many art styles in the T-shirt design prompt builder due to sublimation design specifications mentioned earlier. In fact, in many cases, you will not use any style at all, because choosing the right combination of theme and digital product will do its job. Still, you will find all the style examples in the Visual Examples sheet, where each style is illustrated with an image, offering a wealth of inspiration and creative ideas. Style Details is an additional drop-down list, which allows you to emphasize your style, further adding distressed outlook, symmetry, or clear contours and solid colors, whatever you envision. For the basic version, you can add similar details to this custom text field. Regarding parameters, everything is clear and well explained in the guides about the Builder Basics and Pro features. In the T-shirt Design Pro Builder, you have 3 fields for your reference images: Generic, which will appear at the beginning of the prompt; Character, appears at the end with the cref parameter; and Style, appears at the end with the sref parameter. Don't overlook the utility of negative prompting. In this builder, we recommend to use no t-shirt when the outcome images tend to contain one. No face helps, for example, with the sun designs, as Midjourney often draws a smiling sun. No stem and leaves will assist you in creating beautiful flowers. Okay, enough theory. Let's get to the fun part and create some great images. If you don't have anything on your mind, or if you're a complete newbie to the prompt builders, this presets drop-down list is a perfect starting point. It's available only in the Pro version, and if you don't have one, just copy the prompts from the Visual Examples sheet. These are the builder screenshots showing you what choices were made to create the prompt, and Midjourney outcome images from this prompt. We aim to demonstrate various builder usage cases and provide you with your first nice outcomes without any effort from your side. Enjoy. Prompt Builder produces universal prompts that can be used in other text-to-image AI generators as well. However, keep in mind that the outcomes from the same prompt will vary significantly as these tools were trained on different datasets. Also, do not use the parameters section, as these are only for Midjourney. Styles may not always work well, but themes can be used instead to make your image more cartoonish or vintage. Another piece of advice: avoid using t-shirt design digital products, as they might produce images already placed on t-shirts, which is not what we're looking for. Instead, use terms like clip art or logo without mentioning the t-shirt. It is also recommended to use the Enhance with ChatGPT button if you have the Pro version, as it can produce a more detailed prompt that will work better with DALL-E, Ideogram, and Leonardo. Now let's talk about using text in your designs. Yes, you can add text, as in version 6, Midjourney introduced a text feature. However, this approach has some disadvantages. You can't customize or correct the text, as technically it's an image, not text. Outcomes are not very consistent, and mistakes still occur. It's better to use short text, which limits your creativity. The fonts are not always nice, and there's a lack of control over the fonts. It's very challenging to use the same design with different text of the same style. There's still a partial solution in Midjourney. Use the Vary Region function on the text area to correct mistakes, change text, or change the font. We can expect much better results with each new version. as the Midjourney team is constantly developing the text feature. You can work with text in other text-to-image AI generators as well. Ideogram is best for images with text, especially if you use a quality rendering mode. DALL-E is okay, especially with short text. Leonardo is currently less capable of adding text on the go, but you can use the Canvas editor to further add it manually. As a conclusion, if you want a fast result with fewer tools involved, you can write the text in your initial prompt. At the same time, our recommendation is to create designs without text. You can add it later in Canva or Kittl. This way, you'll have complete control over mistakes, font, and color. Additionally, this is very important for print-on-demand designs as it allows for personalization, meaning changing text, font, and color upon customer request. That's all you need to know to start crafting great prompts and images with our t-shirt design prompt builders. Good luck with your digital creations. Check the video description to find our website, Etsy shop, and other useful links. Thank you for watching.